Michael E. Weintraub Esq. The Issues with Digital Media. With every day that goes by, digital media becomes more and more complicated and powerful. The now-defunct yellow pages and other traditional media were once used for marketing and advertising. They have been replaced by digital media. Due to the rapid pace of change and the increasing breadth of digital marketing, every marketer needs to dedicate time and effort to continuously improve their knowledge and skills. The challenge encountered by media marketers is exacerbated by the growing need to develop large-scale, brand-safe, technologically friendly solutions while transferring earnings away from display advertising rates that are declining. Here, Michael E. Weintraub Esq. of ClinStat Device talks about the key problems with digital media that can impede the company's expansion. Michael E. Weintraub Esq. explains the problems facing digital media at present. Internet safety. The threat of cybersecurity is the most important concern in digital media for businesses. A damaging act intended to steal from, corrupt, or disrupt digital existence is considered a cybersecurity hazard. With so much information about businesses being available online, cybersecurity is becoming a serious problem. Malware attacks, phishing scams, ransomware, and other concerns with cybersecurity are common. According to Michael E. Weintraub Esq., hackers break into the company's website and take personal and confidential data. Transparency issues. Lack of transparency has been a problem for the digital media sector from the start. It is also seen as a crime or a kind of corruption. Lack of transparency causes misunderstandings, impediments to communication, and incorrect information on the media platform, which lowers consumer trust in the brand. Reduced trust in the media and advertising can hinder the effectiveness of everything from display commercials to creative partnerships. Obeying rules and regulations is imperative as well per Michael E. Weintraub Esq. The problem of complying with internet laws and regulations is one that digital media face constantly. The use of digital media is subject to some rules and regulations. Cyberbullying is covered by the same rules and guidelines that apply to other forms of digital media use. It may be considered harassment and be punished legally. Michael E. Weintraub Esq. considers it imperative to adhere to the laws governing digital media, including managing the funds, submitting returns, and fulfilling the reporting obligations set forth by SEBI and other authorities. Piracy and copyright. Without the owner's consent, content, images, films, etc. are used in piracy. Despite strong restrictions, it is very difficult to bring justice in the case of this long-standing issue in digital media. A lot of people have started stealing content from internet channels, modifying it to make it look like their own original work, and then posting it to generate money. The conclusion. The future of digital media is bright. Technology has the potential to significantly improve our world and generate a lot of creative content. Michael E. Weintraub Esq. nonetheless thinks it is critical to take these issues into account given that society is shifting toward digital media. Thanks for watching.